Hey everyone, welcome back to Bestly, where we explore and evaluate products across all categories. Today, we're diving into the 6 best dash cams of 2025. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, I've tested a range of options to help you pick the perfect dash cam for your needs. From budget-friendly options to premium picks with all the bells and whistles, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Number 6. Nexar Beam. Looking for an entry-level dash cam that doesn't skimp on features? The Nexar Beam is a fantastic choice. Priced reasonably, it comes packed with essentials like Parking Guardian and G-Sensor collision detection. What sets it apart is the GPS connectivity, which overlays location data onto your footage, perfect for insurance reports. One standout feature? Nexar offers unlimited cloud storage for collision-related footage. That means you don't have to worry about losing critical data, even months after an incident. It's a peace-of-mind addition we really appreciate. However, note that the Nexar Beam's cloud storage focuses on G-Sensor locked events, so general footage depends on your SD card. Still, with its price and feature set, it's a great starter dash cam. Number 5. Escort AmazeCam 360C. If you're looking for a dual-purpose device, the Escort AmazeCam 360C is a radar detector first and a dash cam second. It's perfect for those who want a single device to handle both jobs. The camera offers 2560 by 1440 resolution with a Sony Starvis sensor and a 143-degree field of view. It handles low-light conditions reasonably well, but struggles with finer details, especially for objects beyond 10 feet. If you're okay with some compromises in dashcam quality and need radar capabilities, this one's worth a look. Be aware that this is a premium device with a higher price tag. If you're purely after a dashcam, you may want to skip this one. But for a hybrid solution, the AmazeCam 360C fits the bill. Number 4. Garmin Mini 2. Compact, discreet, and functional, the Garmin Mini 2 is perfect if you want something small enough to hide behind your rearview mirror. It records in 1080p, providing solid video quality for its size. Plus, it pairs seamlessly with Garmin's app for easy setup and playback. That said, the lack of a screen can be tricky. Aligning the camera correctly or troubleshooting requires app access, which might not be ideal for everyone. But once you've got it set up, the Mini 2 is a reliable, low-profile choice. Number 3. Car and Driver 1080p HD Dash Cam. Don't let the name fool you. This dash cam isn't just a marketing gimmick. The Car and Driver 1080p HD Dash Cam is our best budget pick, offering impressive features at an affordable price. With front and rear cameras and a touchscreen interface, this dash cam is user-friendly and versatile. It also includes essentials like parking mode and collision detection. A unique feature is its dual tripod option, which lets you adjust the mounting angle easily based on your windshield. While we noticed a faint magenta hue on the camera screen during testing, this didn't affect the recorded footage. If you're new to dash cams and want a budget-friendly, feature-packed option, this is a great pick. Number 2. Cobra SC400D. When it comes to video quality, the Cobra SC400D stands out with its 4K resolution. The footage is sharp and vibrant, making it our top choice for image clarity. The camera is user-friendly, with a responsive touchscreen and an app that provides driver reports and police alerts. The only drawback? The mount doesn't swivel side to side, but the wide-angle lens compensates for this limitation. While it's on the pricier side, the SC400D delivers exceptional quality for serious dashcam users. Number 1. Vantrue N4. And finally, our top pick, the Vantrue N4. This 3-camera system offers unbeatable value. You get a front dash cam, cabin-facing camera, and rearview camera, all in one package. The front camera records in 2560 by 2160 resolution, while the other two offer 1080p quality. What makes the N4 shine is its versatility. The integrated screen lets you view all three feeds simultaneously, and the infrared cabin camera ensures clear footage even at night. It also features collision and motion detection, saving critical footage automatically. The video quality across different lighting conditions impressed us, with good dynamic range and minimal noise reduction. A 128GB microSD card holds around 6.7 hours of footage, making it ideal for long drives or road trips. If you're after a feature-packed dash cam at a reasonable price, the Vantrue N4 is hard to beat. That wraps up our list of the best dash cams of 2025. Whether you're on a budget or looking for top-tier performance, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments which dash cam caught your eye, or if you have any recommendations for us to review next. Thanks for watching Bestly, and I'll see you in the next video.